Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, let's count number 19. Hi, I am number 19. 1 comes first and then 9 comes next. 1 10 and 9 ones make 19. Hey, look at the picture. Count and say aloud. 19 candles. Now let's have a little activity. Join all ones with nines to make 19. Now trace number 19. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.